is well known by its many creatures. But we arrive and there's no creatures in OBT. I don't know what to do. Oh, I got an idea. Let's go back to Kopangan. Hello everybody again. I tried to swim to Kopangan, but the waves are too big. So right now, I'm gonna try to build a boat from nothing. Let's start. Oh, this is a good creature. Oh, not a good creature. Yeah, good creature. Oh, not a good. Oh, yeah. Okay, I'm gonna start building a boat from nothing. Okay, I'm building a boat. Yeah. Oh, that's good. Yeah, that's gonna be good. Oh, yeah. Yeah. We're done. We built the boat. Now, let's run.